Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to use Vast AI. You want to use powerful GPUs for your AI projects without breaking the bank? Let's jump right into Vast.ai. First, head to Vast.ai and create an account. During sign up, you'll enter your email, choose a username, set a strong password, confirm security details, agree to terms, maybe grab a coffee, refresh the page, double check spelling, think about project ideas, ignore notifications, feel excited, verify your email, wait a few seconds, click links, glance at the dashboard, and smile because you're almost ready. Next, click billing and add some credits using a credit card or crypto. This is how you pay for the GPU time. Click on the search tab. This shows all available GPUs. You can filter by GPU type like RTX 4090 or the A100, the amount of memory, price, and more. Look for an instance that fits your needs and budget. Consider the on-demand and interruptible options. Interruptible instances are cheaper but can be stopped. Pick a pre-built template such as PyTorch or TensorFlow images to get started quickly. You will need a Docker image. Also specify how much disk space you need. Once you've chosen an instance, click Rent. Go to the Instances tab to see your instance. Vast.ai offers different ways to connect. The easiest is often through the web portal, which gives you a simple interface. For more control, use SSH. You can find the SSH connection details by clicking Connect on your instance and transfer files using CloudSync. Once connected, you can start working on your AI projects. You can run training sessions, and they'll keep running even if you close your connection. Remember, you're charged for GPU time while the instance is running and for storage even when it's stopped. When you're done, stop or destroy the instance to avoid further charges. Be sure to destroy the instance if you don't need the data anymore, as storage costs add up. Vast.ai's prices are often much lower than other cloud providers. Check the Vast.ai documentation for more details and advanced options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, share with friends, drink water, stretch your legs, open random tabs, bookmark useful links, plan future projects, test new models, experiment freely, stay curious, break things safely, learn daily, enjoy building, embrace mistakes, explore ideas, stay motivated, and have fun creating amazing AI projects.